Hey guys, let's make delicious Hot Pockets. We're gonna start our Hot Pocket recipe by using our pizza dough. You can use any pizza dough you want. You can buy this in the freezer section at the store, but this is my sourdough pizza crust and you can find that video in the link. So what I'm gonna do is each one of these, I have this dough ball divided and each one is gonna make 4. So we're gonna make 8 pockets all together. So let me get these separated into 4 little balls. We're just gonna set these out right here. Now, whether you're using dough that you've made or if you're using dough from the store, you wanna make sure that your dough is at room temperature because it makes it much more easy to manipulate. And then now I have our last one here. I'm gonna spread some flour out on the counter so that we can get these rolled out. Just a little bit. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out 2 pepperonis. Actually, I think I'm gonna do 4. 4 pepperonis for each of our rolls. And these are the big deli slices that I'm using today. Oops, one's gonna have 3. And then I'm gonna use some mozzarella cheese. And I like to put the cheese in the middle of the pepperonis because I feel like it doesn't squeeze out as much if you end up with a place that's not sealed up super good. Sometimes I will use a block of cheese and just, cut a small piece to put in there. That works well too, but I have slices today. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're gonna put our pepperonis in the middle, and then we're gonna button this up in the center. Just like this, and you wanna pinch this closed. That way, hopefully your cheese doesn't fall out. Okay, let me also get a little bit of oil for our pan. Now, the pizza crust is not gonna brown up. I have tried everything. I've tried putting some garlic oil on top or butter, and it just doesn't. This particular pizza dough recipe just does not get that golden brown color. It tastes delicious, works great, but it just doesn't brown up. So you don't have to worry about that. Don't try to overcook these so that it turns that golden brown color. It's just gonna stay kind of this color. Put our pepperonis. And we're gonna pinch this closed. Just like this. You can put whatever kind of meat you want in these. When I make the pepperoni ones, I usually pack the kids like a little cup of marinara and they dip it in there, kind of like a pizza roll kind of thing. But we do Canadian bacon and cheddar cheese. I've used leftover brisket, chopped brisket with cheddar cheese and some barbecue sauce. Those were delicious. We took these quite a few times for football games when we had afternoon games and we were going to be on the road all day or at the field all day. And these were great in the summertime because they really kept nicely. They didn't have any mayonnaise or anything like that inside of them. So they travel really well. So we do eat these quite a bit. The kids really love these. You just want to spread it out just enough to place your pepperoni, and then you're gonna continue, like I said, stretching and folding this over to create that little pouch. We have these made and our oven is preheated to 450 degrees. It's ready now, and we're gonna cook these for 15 minutes at 450 and pull them out, and they're gonna be ready to go. All right, it's been 15 minutes and our Hot Pockets are ready to come out. Okay. These are done and ready to go. We're gonna let these cool for a little while And then I'm gonna package these up in the refrigerator in a Ziploc or a glass dish, and these will be ready to go for lunch for the kids. So we're gonna go ahead and let these cool all the way, and then I'm gonna let the kids eat these for lunch this week. I hope you guys love this recipe and try lots of different varieties. Y'all have a great day.